this is what happens after a monsoon. When you're trying to get back to where you're supposed to be going, you get people that stall out. These roads end up being absolutely flooded. You can see the aftermath of what's going on, and it's just crazy at how much water is out here, and everything is backed up. It's just kind of like a zoo, and you can see way down there that this is just really ugly. There's a lot of flooding and things going on, and people are turning around, and I'm actually going to do the same thing because it's just it's a zoo. So that's it.